calendar as action for this. You feel me? It's that. Everybody does that? Get that on calendar. Let me see if we can get on one. How do you get on? Example.
Thank you.
What a gift you have. Have a seat right there. So as far as young council, over the same choice for most of it. We think we get on. When was the last time y'all saw it? Just trying to verify your script. After 4/26/24. This is crazy. I think that's you take that from February. That is let's get on the other. Fence one, and we can do a I think that's 9/12. Well, we need to do a letter if it come back to us. Let's do a fence one out. Let's do that. Proceed.
Sean Tyrone. Thank you. William Cottrell. William Cottrell, request for FTA.
Brent,
Thank you. Tequila Duncan. Thank you. Keziah Gatson. Thank you. Okay, thanks. Jalen Goodwin. Jalen Goodwin, request for FTA.
Brent,
Thank you. Bridget Gray. Thank you. Dahana Green. Thank you. Dexter Griggs. Dexter Griggs, request for bench warrant.
you know about the city, Chairman.
Oh.
Issue of bench one, Hannah DS 912.
Thank you. Chance Hall.
Here.
Thank you. Jeremiah Halley. Thank you. Samuel Harvey. You're here. Can you say it one time? Thank you. Thank you, sir. Justin Johnson. Justin Johnson, request for bench warrant.
Brent,
Thank you. Okay, thanks.
he what?
He's outside somewhere.
That's one keep walking outside?
Yes.
All right.
Thank you. Fun Tresha Jordan. Thank you. Brittany Martin. Thank you. Tola Martin. Here. Thank you. James McCoy. James McCoy. Request for FTA.
Brent,
Thank you. Shawanda McCray. Thank you. Casaria McNair. Casaria McNair, request for FTA.
Brent,
Thank you. Marcus Ross. Thank you.
1-4.
Jeffrey Smith. Jeffrey Smith, request for FTA.
Brent,
Thank you. Stephen Snell. Thank you. Renasha Stewart. Renasia. Thank you. Artist Thomas. Artist Thomas. Request for FTA.
Brent,
Thank you.
all right, FTA on no insurance and suspended registration. Red light violation has been rescheduled for July 17th.
Thank you. Caleb Watts. Caleb Watts. Request for FTA.
Brent,
Thank you. Aisha Whitaker. Here. Thank you. Cedrica White Rozier. Thank you. Daryl Williams. Thank you. That concludes the calendar.
do we complete paperwork on the 221?
Scott, Ms. Getz. Ms. Getz.
Mr. Hallie,
You know, if we get on the 21 form, I'm gonna keep it. Man. Ms. Hayward, do you have the paperwork on Jeremy Haley?
yes, sir.
Pass it up, please. Yes, anybody out for a trial? If anybody out for a trial? If anybody who's scheduled for a ring, if they want to trial. Because I think those are good. Jeremy Haley? Haley, you're 19, you have 14 years of education.
Yes, sir.
Where do you work?
I'm not working right now, but I'm in the Albany State EMT program, and I should start working by August.
And what program?
Albany State EMT program. I'm going to be a paramedic. Thank you.
You live in Stone Mountain? You
Right.
live in Stone Mountain?
No, I stay in 2304 West Gordon Avenue.
Your driver's license has what address on it?
5043 Oakleaf Terrace. That's where I stayed at originally, but I just moved to college like a year ago, so that's still my address on my license.
You got a license issue this year?
Yes, sir.
When you got the license issue, your address was Oakley?
Yes, sir.
All right, the city is offering you, to partake of the under 21 program where once you complete the special conditions, the charge against will be dismissed on your driver's license, so it won't cause pension. You ought to complete the Pension driving school, pay an administrative fee of $201. At the end of the case, the you already have obtained a valid license, and you ought to show proof that you're enrolled in school. You understand all of that?
Yes, sir.
Questions about it?
No, sir.
City of Albany versus Javion Blake.
Mr. Blake, you're 20.
Yes, sir.
You missed the court date.
Yes, sir.
Why did you miss the court date?
I just didn't pull up, and I don't stay here, so
You don't what?
I won't stay here.
You don't stay here. What you got to do with it? You want to take that back and put it back in your mouth? You can commit an offense anywhere in the world. If you get cited, you're required to appear. Don't care where it is, so you're not living here, ain't got nothing to do with it. So you stop thinking like that, all right? You've been offered the under 21 program where you are to complete defense driving, pay an administrative fee of 1/5 that would include the contempt fee. And once you do those things, the charges will be dismissed. You have to do that by July the 22nd or appear in court on July the 26th. You have any questions about it?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead. What's your question?
So you can turn right at a red light, right? Correct.
According to whether there's a sign there or not.
See, I didn't see that sign
It is a sign.
on Oglethorpe.
I'm asking you, is there a sign that said no right turn on red?
That's what the officer said, but I didn't see it.
You didn't go back to look at it to see if it was
Nah,
there?
I just went home.
That's just like didn't come to court because you don't live here. Why don't you even bring that up to me? You have no idea. Don't do that. Anybody in any conflict. Don't bring stuff up you don't know about. You still driving?
Yes, sir.
Well, drive over there when you leave here with these signs and stuff and look at it. And satisfy your mind. If there's a sign that's there, no turn on red, then of course you can't do it. That's the reason they do that. Not because there's been accidents and there's something there that causes folks to turn and get hit. So it'd be good for you to know that. So when you go do it again and say, and turn, somebody goes to the same thing and I put you in jail. Any other questions?
No, sir.
Roger? Thank you, sir. You have a seat over here. Yes, sir.
City of Albany versus Shawanda McCray.
Ms. McCray, you're 33 and you completed high school.
Yes, sir.
You understand you can be sentenced to 12 months in jail and $1,000 family charge.
Yes, sir.
Are you mentally disabled or under the influence of alcohol, drugs, and medication?
No, sir.
You have a right to a trial by jury, presumption of innocence, the right to confront and subpoena witnesses, and the right to remain silent and unincriminated. You understand those rights?
Yes, sir.
the notes and get the license. License for,
Shawanda, okay. Shawanda.
How long are your license suspended for?
When I got pulled over, he said a year, but I didn't know they was suspended.
Have you checked with anybody other than him to see when you could possibly suspend the valid driver's license?
Yes, sir. I called. They said that I had to get um a 6 month insurance and policy for my vehicle. I had to get like pay up 6 months, and then I had to pay a $200 fine in order to get them reinstated.
You plan to pay the insurance for 6 months and get your license back?
Yes, sir. I'm working on it.
Raising the money?
Getting it. Yes, sir. I did some quotes, a few quotes.
What do you work?
I work from home
Full time, part time?
full time.
You never had insurance on the bill?
Yes, sir. I have.
Is that insurance company that you use then, that's not a good insurance company to ship with?
Um, I don't think so, cause the insurance I was using is prepaid, like you pay by the day. And so it'll be best to get like an actual insurance company so I can do the 6 months.
You're right. How do you pay by the day?
So like basically it's like a prepaid account, and then you just add the money to your account and they take the money off as the day go by. Or if you're not going anywhere that day, you can turn it off. Like you could turn the insurance off if you don't plan on driving, to keep the money from being taken from the account.
Sounds complicated.
It gets confusing.
So if I lay down tonight, drink a couple beers, decide I ain't driving tomorrow, I turn it off, and then the next day I forget, I get caught, and I'm in trouble.
Yes, sir.
Oh. They say, would you recommend a reduction from the suspended license? In this case, this is Mr. Lippert. This is Mr. Craig.
Thank you.
Do one of y'all recommend reducing suspended license and no license? Somebody's handwriting is on it. I just don't know whose handwriting it is.
Donna,
Yes, sir.
can I have just a moment to confer with my client
About what?
about the, charge that she's facing, and I wonder if there may be room for there to be something else levied upon her as opposed to what you just mentioned. Now, if it's not proper, then draw the request. Can I, if I could have just a minute?
Great. Great, Mr. Lee.
Okay. You're correct.
We call up there.
Thank you.
That's it.
City of Albany versus Federico White Rozier. The city's motion to dismiss the top two charges in exchange for her plea to the other charges.
White, Roselle, you are 40 and you have 13 years of education.
Yes, sir.
What do you work, ma'am?
I just, started working. I had, a problem with my stomach, ulcers in my stomach, so I'm not working right now.
How long you been out of work?
About 2 weeks.
You understand to be sentenced up to 12 months in jail and $1,000 fine on all of the underlying charges.
Yes.
Are you mentally disabled or under influence of alcohol, drugs, or medicine?
No.
You have right to a trial by jury, presumption of innocence, right to front and civil, and a right to remain silent and not incriminate yourself. Do you understand those rights?
Yes, sir.
Why did you miss court twice?
Well, when I talked to the lady at the courthouse, she said she had a different address, but when the police came on the scene, I gave him my correct address.
You have a driver's license,
I had a driver's license, but my address had not been changed because I had just moved.
but you didn't have a license.
I had license.
The charge and no license on purpose.
It just said on person. I had license. It's just I ain't have my pocketbook on me.
So what did the officer have to go by this to your address?
He typed it up, my information. I gave him my social security number. He typed it up, my information.
What kind of problem were you having with tag?
Can you repeat that?
What kind of problem were you having with tag?
That's not my car. That was my sister's car. I paid her to use her car. I did not know the tag was expired.
So both times you were charged with expired tag, it was not your car?
Which one? I don't remember one of them, but I know I was in my sister's car in a car wreck. Was a shooting on a block party, and I hit a pole. So one of them is hers. So I got to figure out which one you're talking about.
You got an expired tag in January 2024.
Oh yes, my mom had got me a
And
car.
an
Oh
expired tag in October 2020.
no, my mom on 23, my mama got me a car from Mitsubishi Place. They gave me a paper to take to the tag place, and they still wouldn't give us the tag. And they gave us a tag to you, and they said we wasn't gonna get in trouble. And my mother is here because it was in her name, the car.
What's the difference of that?
Well, I went up there with the paper they gave me. They gave me a paper to take to the tag people, and they told me we wasn't not gonna get in trouble. So I didn't know. I kept going up there, me and my mom, about the tag.
Why haven't you heard anything that I asked Every time I ask you a question, you answer something else.
Okay, what you asking me, sir? Sorry.
Calm down.
Mhm.
First question I asked you was the same car you was driving.
No,
The bride text said no. But you follow up on both of them, there was somebody else's fault. One was the sister, one was the mama.
my sister car, I did not know. My mom car, we tried to get it tagged. It was a new car off the lot. They gave us a paper tag. When we kept going back, they gave us a paper tag to the tag place. They said we was not gonna get in no trouble because they were working on getting a tag. I don't know, cause I
So
ain't
when
never,
they charged you the second time, there was a paper tag on the car?
with the blue car. I don't, the red car, though my sister tag just expired. I don't know about her car. I can't tell you nothing about her car because I don't know. I just use her car. So I don't know what you want me, how you want me to answer it, because I don't know.
2006 Toyota,
That's my sister car.
that's the Mary Roselle.
Toyota.
Ameri Roselle. Who is that?
That's my husband. What car you talking about? I don't know what car you talking.
2006 Toyota with no tag and but it has valid insurance on it.
Oh, I don't know what car you talking about.
What car does the ticket that you was driving?
Toyota.
2006 Toyota.
Oh, the Highlander. We had a tag on that car.
You don't recall getting a ticket in tag registration wasn't valid?
No, I didn't get. I don't remember. I don't remember because it was in his name, so I don't remember.
You keep telling me that. That's
Well,
not,
sir,
that's not a defense in the state of Georgia.
I
If
did
you
not
get in my
know.
car and drive, and now it's my car and you driving and they stop you and you driving, you get the ticket. You have to pay it. You can tell me it's my car all day. That's not a defense. It's
Okay,
my
I
car,
don't remember,
my
sir.
sister's car, and my husband's car.
Okay, but I still don't remember the ticket. I don't remember getting that ticket.
You want to see it?
You can let me see.
Can you pull that ticket up, one of you? Pull up, Miss Rose. That was a recommendation that I no profit failure to appear and no profit expired tag. And the conversation we had about this expired tag, it's going to be very rare that I would no profit based on all these explanations and excuses. If Hayward, can you pull up that? You should have heard that citation. And should have put that back to her, please. If you will, show her both of the expired tags, Joy. Oh. Wait a minute, folks, to go in the red, please. Might need to do something with it.
I seen him, sir.
The refresh the memory?
I still don't know about that ticket right there. I don't remember. I got a lot going on in my life right now. But I do remember the one about my sister car.
You don't own a car?
No.
All right, on the failure to appear to court, fined you $100. Tag charge total 510. Failure to appear $100. Tag charge total 510. No prompting the no insurance and the red light violation. So there's no fine on those two. 24-month probation terminated for payment. Since you're not working, you may convert your fine to community service if your health allows it. You have a, yeah.
Albany recommendations, Stewart.
Let's do it to a 29, you complete a high school. What do you work?
Tyson.
Tyson? How long you been at Tyson?
6 months.
You work anywhere before then?
Hip hop fish chicken.
You understand it should be sentenced up to 12 months in jail and $1,000 fine on each charge?
Yes.
Are you mentally disabled or under the influence of alcohol, drugs, and medication?
No.
You have a right to a trial by jury, presumption of innocence, the right to confront and subpoena witness, and the right to remain silent and non-information. So you understand those rights?
Yes.
You have a learner's license that's suspended?
Say it again.
You have a learner's license that is suspended?
Yes.
What would it take you to get the license out of suspension?
To pay the tickets.
So why would you pay the ticket?
Because I couldn't pay the ticket till I showed up to court. It wouldn't allow me.
No, it wouldn't allow you to pay a suspended license. The
They
license
said I gotta show up to court. I have my court date.
is up here in Tiff County. You took care of the case in Tiff County? And we have a current period. You taking care of the ticket in Tiff County?
No.
Why not?
Because I had forgot about that in the past. I think it was back in 2020. I haven't
You
even.
found out about it when you got these tickets.
See, I didn't actually. I haven't found out about it till you brought it up. Just then, all my other tickets being for Albany.
Tickets taken care of, but not the reinstatement.
Yeah.
You didn't have the money to pay the reinstatement fee, you just.
I had just got done paying the ticket, and
Answer my question.
oh, no, I did not have the money to finish paying the reinstatement fee.
I did go to dinner yesterday. Y'all treat me like I'm pulling teeth. I want to ask you questions try to help. If I take a plea on suspended license like you're trying to do, there's mandatory jail time, a mandatory additional suspension, you won't be able to get a license for a while. That's why I asked you all these questions, but you don't want to answer. I'm asking the question to see if there's some way, based upon what I'm looking at in the computer, that I can help you. You have multiple tickets where you got tickets and hang on the board. Multiple different places. So that's why I asked about the other one. I know you can't get a license. But if I order you to, if you have to take care of the ticket. So how long is it gonna take you to come up with the money to do your real estate? I think that's $200.
At least a week. Next week, Wednesday.
How long would it take you to pay $750 plus $123.20?
At least a month.
You have no other bills?
Yes.
You're a new 6-month-old job.
I have 2 children, home rent, light bill, water bill.
You're making up what you're telling me about when you can pay it.
Say it again.
You're making up what you're telling me about when you can pay it.
That's the estimated time I can possibly get it. If it's the date on it, I'm gonna get it paid.
You getting child support and all that stuff?
No,
What about where you live? Home, you rent, or what?
renting.
Last time you moved?
I've been in the same area since 2014.
How old are the children?
I have an 8-year-old and a 4-year-old,
Same father?
same father.
You nowhere around?
He's not financially stable at the moment.
But he's from here.
Yes.
Daniel, talk to me through it. If there's anything we can do to help her with whatever is going on. Daniel, my case manager for Albany Works. Let's see if we can figure something out positive for you. Ms. Hayward.
Yes. Thank you. City of Albany versus Aisha Whitaker.
The registration expired. Ms. Whitaker, you're 37, you have 14 years of education.
Yes, sir.
What do you work, man?
I'm a manager at Spencer's in the Albany Mall.
You understand that you can be sentenced up to 12 months in jail and $1,000 fine on each charge?
Yes, sir.
Are you mentally disabled or under the influence of alcohol, drugs, or
Yes,
medication?
sir.
You have a right to a trial by jury, the presumption of innocence, the right to confront and educated witnesses, and the right to remain silent and not incriminate. You understand those rights?
Yes, sir.
What's the picture say? The right to speak around. Well, your registration suspended and you got it from being suspended?
With the registration, I end up having insurance with Safeway, and I had problems with them, so I calling Rainy to add their insurance to mine. Rainy used cars, they have that CPP insurance, and long story short, they never put it up there. So I'm thinking I'm paying for the insurance. Come to find out, I was paying for a part that they put on my car. So I didn't know the registration was suspended until I got my ticket. And then when I went up there to make a payment because the automatic service wasn't well, I got an automated service. I was trying to talk to somebody because the fee ended up going up. And they finally told me that the system had caught up and was able to put it up there. But I also have I have the insurance back. My mom put me on her insurance as well. So I do have insurance on the car.
Would she be a superseded?
No.
Which one went over?
Mhm.
Right on the speeding, the court accepts the no contest plea. The fine is 140.61.
Okay.
On the license plate, the court accepts a no contest plea. Fine is 205.10. On the suspended registration, I would dismiss that. You won't have to pay the $600 fine, all right?
Can I say something about the tag?
I don't know why you would. You might want to talk to a lawyer. I just got rid of $600.
Okay, I talk, okay,
$11.88
okay,
tag
yes,
charge
sir.
for you. If you
Yes,
think I'm
sir.
gonna do
Yes,
something
sir.
different or
Yes,
better,
sir.
then
I
you-
got it. I got it. I got it. I'm gonna zip it and put it in my pocket.
Okay, it's 345.71. When
Okay.
can you pay that?
Can I get a couple of months? I'm trying to get these children school clothes. No school finna start back real soon.
Yeah, you don't have no car to drive around the school if you don't get this thing.
Oh, they catch the bus on the but yeah, I got you.
I
What
can
get
give you, I can give you 30 days.
that'll work.
What name of that store, the mall, so I won't come to it? All right. Roger West, you need to sit back in.
Sir? Oh, I need to sit beside him? Okay.
Can you get your tag from being expired now? You know I can check on that, right? But why still show me in the computer that it's the same? Amendment. Yeah, somebody do an affidavit. Did you read the newspaper today about what we said about it? Let me see. This foreman sent me something when I was getting ready to come to work. Let me see what it says.
Don't miss this exclusive opportunity to use AI for smarter technical analysis. Receive
A school violation scam. The scammers will say that they get rid of a violation that may be in your name. The municipal court says the only people who can do that are judges and hearing officers. If you or someone you know receives a call, just hang up and immediately contact your local police department.
That's fresh on the press today. All right, be careful.
to use AI for smarter technical analysis.
On those red speed tickets, it was showing on record that it was suspended if they had not taken care of the red speed tickets. Okay. It was said that on the driver. Look for tag number. You should have a tag on it. Don't be calling the person who fixed that thing for you while you're in. Where do you get out of that? Have a sit there for a second. I'm looking at the red speed. See if bueno. Hold on for a minute. Let me check that red speed stuff. See if you've been shammed. You might be incriminating her by telling me how to quit. No, not you, not you. You're good. You're good. You're good. When she had overnight? Last night, tonight? Well, Roger, why are you gonna be like that? You got a personalized plate? Magical? All right. two-door Honda? Black? You got one pay and two split registration holds, one from 3/25/24 and one from 6/14. No, wait a minute. Three of them, right? 3/25/24, 6/14/2023, 3/6/2023. Those registration holds are still on your tag. One was paid and you can receive a warning on one. So whoever you got the text and you got there, tell them the thing's still open now. Okay? They're not clear. So you can't get your tag straightened out yet. You can go. Thank you. Don't get no disorderly conduct.
Thank you. City of Albany versus Sands Hall.
You gotta go to the east side tonight, huh? Roger? You gotta go to the east side tonight. They act like hawking, that's why I asked you, like, you gotta get out of here. You haven't slowed down, I'm gonna have. Mr. Hall, you are 33 and you complete high school?
Yes, sir.
Where do you work?
Walmart HR manager.
You understand you could be sentenced up to 12 months in jail and $1,000 fine charge?
Yes, sir.
Are you mentally disabled or under the influence of alcohol, drugs, and medication?
No, sir.
You have a right to a trial, presumption of innocence, the right to confront that and the right to remain silent and not incriminate yourself. Do you understand those rights?
Yes, sir.
That's tax right now.
Yes, sir.
What's the problem with it?
Well, I got 3 vehicles, and then my birthday came April 1st, and then I thought I did all 3 of them. I just did 2 of them. So I got that straightened out probably a couple days after.
You put up the history. Let me see that serious ticket. I think. All right, on the failure to signal when changing lanes, I accept the no contest plea. The fine is 93.20. I will accept the no contest plea on the tag charge. I will suspend the fine in the amount of 205.10. So you need to pay a total of $93.20. When can you pay that?
Today?
All right, he needs to pay that in a week. Okay. All right, we'll give you an order. You can pay it. We don't have a way of taking payment here.
Oh, okay. All right.
So hold on to the money till we.
Oh, I'm
Yeah,
gonna hold
yeah,
on to it. It's in the
Thank
bank. It's in the bank. Ain't going nowhere.
Okay, good. We have a fee right here.
All right.
Thank you. Ready? Up to the podium. Yeah. This one on.
think we need. Are you still working? How do you get to work? From home. Got a computer at the house.
Mr. Lippert, something you want to say?
If I may, Your Honor.
Yeah.
My client works from the house, so there shouldn't be any need for her to be driving until she's able to get her license back. And if she does live with a significant other and talk to him, he's willing to stand by and support her and to drive her wherever she may go. So we've done that. She would have some limited assistance that way. She should not need to drive until she gets her license back.
Long driving, right? One too long for free trial, bro. Registration.
Which one is him? Which one is him? That's a great, right?
Maybe what I was talking to, one of the things I was talking to the lawyers about is a second offense, no insurance, suspends your license, for anywhere from 6 months to a year. So me reducing the suspended license charge are not gonna help you. You got to stop driving without insurance or you're gonna lose your license. I'm gonna help you out this time, but you gotta get together. All these things that's on your driving history, on these tickets are serious things that can cause you not to lose your license as a habitual violator or something for 5 years. So you gotta Either get it straight or you gotta stop driving.
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, if it please the court, while you're considering that, this gentleman here is their significant other. He has said that they live together, and he is willing to assist her financially in a way that would be proper. So she would have some support from a financial standpoint.
Y'all still got that car? No. The car with the tag and the registration band on it? You still got that?
It's in the yard, but I don't drive it.
You still own it and still run?
Yes, sir. It's working.
All right, the court accept no contest plea to the following charges. Suspended registration reduced to no tag, defined at 61138. No insurance, second offense, reduced to no insurance on person, defined at 75084. Driving on suspended license is reduced to no license, defined as 75084. To be placed on probation for 36 months, either ordered to obtain a valid registration, a valid driver's license, and valid insurance. The insurance within 60 days, the driver's license within 60 days, and the registration within 90 days.
Yes, sir.
That's the order of the court. You placed on probation, it will bring you a copy of the order and try to get it straight. Thank you, sir, for assisting her.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
City of Albany versus City of sorry. City of Albany versus Frederick Gray.
Mr. Gray, you are 48. You have 10 years of education.
Yes, sir.
You have a GED.
Yes, sir.
What do you work for?
I don't work. I got disability.
What?
I get disability.
You understand you can be sentenced up to 12 months in jail and $1,000 fine for each charge?
Yes, sir.
Are you mentally disabled or under influence of alcohol, drugs, and medication?
No, sir.
You said yes, sir?
No, sir.
You ever had a valid driver's license?
a while back.
How long ago?
Some years,
20 years?
some years.
Last life you had was Florida life.
Yes, sir.
That's something special you have to do to try to get a life. You live in Florida or Georgia now?
I live in Georgia now.
How long you been in Georgia?
A year now. Well, a few months. I've been here since November.
What was the problem with the headlight?
They were like dim. They wasn't bright, so I guess he didn't see it. I need to get new bulbs in there, I suppose.
All right, the court accepts guilty plea to all the charges on the no license, one person, signed 11293. Drive while unlicensed, 11293. The headlights required 9320. How long will it take to pay those fines?
I only get money once a month, so I get disability once a month. So
You need 7 months to pay it?
yes, sir.
6 months, 12 months, 36 months?
6 months a month.
Let's do 12 months. How many days a month pay? Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
City of Albany versus Daryl Williams.
I got put the light.
Mr. William, you're 41 and you have 13 years of education.
Yes, sir.
Where do you work, sir?
I work with my daddy. He got his own business.
What kind of business?
He do everything like build houses, cut grass, plumbing work. He really work for B&B Rentals.
You understand it could be sentenced up to 12 months in jail and $1,000 fine.
Yes, sir.
You mentally disabled or under the influence of alcohol, drugs,
No, sir.
your right to a child, the right to front has to do with and the right to remain silent and not correct. You understand those rights?
Yes, sir.
You have your tax straightened out?
I'm working on that now, sir. I just started back working with my dad after I lost my mom.
You don't have a valid license?
No, sir. I'm working on that too.
When the last time you had a valid license?
Think since, let me see, I say 2015. I'm not gonna lie to you. I think it was around about that time.
Once you got that DUI, you never got them back again?
No, sir.
You know what it takes to get them back?
Yes, sir. I got to pay a $300 fine and take the DUI class.
You ain't did that since 2016.
No, sir. Not gonna lie to you. No, sir, I didn't.
I'm looking at it. You can't lie to me.
Oh yeah, I know. I ain't gonna lie to you. You went looking at it. I'm just gonna be honest with you.
What, you got ID card, sir?
Sir.
You got ID card?
Yes, sir.
Got a wrong address on it?
Yes, sir. I ain't know that was a charge. I ain't never get a chance to change my ID.
You ever work for anybody other than your father?
I used to work for Gear Furniture.
tag, no contest 20510, driving while unlicensed, expired license, guilty, 11293. Get it to the city to change your address after spending the fine on that one. You placed on probation for 12 months, you're ordered to obtain a valid driver's license. Once you obtain a license and pay your fine, your case will end earlier than 12 months.
Yes, sir.
Thanks, sir. Yeah, you have some. Yeah, like a little kid, I can get all that. I don't know.
Ready? It's Albany versus Dustin Johnson.
We call John. Can you answer my question? Yes, sir. What about that? That's that. Yes, sir. That's a good answer. Yeah. Open the time. You're 37 years old? Yes, sir. How much education do you have? Too much. Too much education. I got 7 degrees before I even went to high school, sir. Yeah, 7 degrees before you went to high school? A couple degrees. A couple college degrees. Okay. Where do you work? I work for myself. I got a company called Boss City Corporations. What does your company do? It does a lot. It's a lot of education and stuff. It educates a lot of people how to take care of themselves and how to start themselves and get sick from all these diseases that foreign people are putting in us. Is your business working? Yeah, it's working very good. So it's very successful. You have your own place? Well, I was trying to help my mother and father out, but they seem to keep forgetting that I ain't got no car, no license, and so they just elderly. They elderly. They look young, but they really elderly. He's 80-some years old, and I'm 80-some years old too. And I just been taking care of both of them. With no money? Oh, I don't know how you do anything without my. I got money, sir, but I've been taking care of them. You need money to survive in America. You gotta have a lot of money to survive. You're saying you don't have a car and all that, and that's why I asked that. Yeah, I don't have a license or a car, and they got their license cars. They got that. Like, John. Yes, sir. How much is that? Huh? Dad. Huh? What's up? Sir. William. Does Justin live with you on? Yeah. You ever moved out? Yeah, I have moved out before. I'm not talking to you. I said your father. Okay. He moved out before? He moved. We bought the little house to stay about a couple years ago. He's married to 4 children, but he's separated from his wife. What now? He's married with 4 children, but he's separated from his wife. Live with our house. Chelsea. She probably killed him. But she got to be a probation officer. All right, Mr. Johnson, you alleged to have had a bottle of E&J vanilla, I think it was, and police told you to pour it out. It's only half full, and you told him you'll pour it out. And he said, kept asking you your name, and you wouldn't give it to him. And they found some ID in your pocket with your name on it.
I said I'll pour it out, and then they just dang there. They locked me up. I said, sir, it was in a brown bag and everything. So, sir, I'll pour it out, and they just opened me right in the car.
Tell me this, why,
And I plan on racial profile.
why you won't go to a spa and why won't you take medication?
Sir,
Why won't you go to a spa and why won't you take medication?
I'm on an order from the military not to take that medication. I take medication with Roman Health Ventures.
You take with who?
Roman Health Ventures. They take care of me. That's my doctor's up there and everything. That's my doctor. The doctor is with Roman Health Ventures.
And where is that located?
That's located in New York, sir. That's a pharmaceutical company way out here in New York, sir.
And how do you get to New York to see?
Sir, I don't have to go to New York to do any of that. I got a computer and stuff. He's my physician.
Okay.
That's the only doctor I need, sir.
I know that,
right now that Aspire place, they need to check that place out. That place is terrible.
what I'm gonna do then, if you don't wanna,
I'm
listen to
serious.
me, they're gonna put you in jail for 12 months.
You gonna put me in jail
Yep,
for 12 months?
Yep.
For open container.
no, for the open container and your history.
What's my history, sir?
I'm not gonna tell you that, but I'm looking at it.
You gonna have me on 12 months for no reason?
Yeah, on each charge, I can give you a maximum of 6 months on each one of them.
I don't want any of that.
I'm gonna do that unless you listen to me and do what I order you to do.
Okay.
So you're gonna have 12 months in jail, suspended upon attending probation, going to a spa or some other facility like the spa, and complying with any medication instructions. So what that means is I sentence you to 12 months in jail, do what I'm ordering you to do. If you go there and tell probation, try to get your ass, you ain't doing, then they take you to jail, you sit there for a year. And so your choice is to try to do what other folks believe that will help you, even though you may not think it will. And I look based upon your record, the number of times you've been in front of me, and the times I've tried to assist you and get something to help you, you have not complied. I understand why. One reason why, because you don't think you need it. And so you can tell these guys with these guns on and badges on whether you want to go to jail right now or you want to give it a try on probation first. So
I'll get probation.
okay, 12 months in jail, suspended upon 12 months on probation, complying with a 5 mental health or something of that nature, and medication compliance. Any violation, you do the balance of the 12 months in jail, and don't bring them in front of me. Just put them in jail for 12 months. I'm glad we got understanding.
Okay.
And
All right,
we'll
that's
see you
fine.
again.
Yeah.
All right. Y'all gotta take him home. Y'all gotta take him home. Y'all need to say something about y'all so he won't raise hell with you all when you get in the car. I mean something like bring him back. Let him bring it back. Bring it. Call him okay.
City of Albany versus Stephen Sell.
Basically, motorcycle. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Mr. Snell, you're a 48 and you completed high school.
Yes, sir.
You understand to be sentenced up to 12 months in jail and $1,000 fine on each charge.
Yes, sir, I do.
You're mentally disabled or under influence of alcohol, drugs, and medication.
No, sir, I'm not.
You have a right to a trial, presumption of innocence, right to confront and subpoena witnesses, and a right to remain silent and not incriminate yourself. Do you understand your right?
Yes, sir, I do.
All right, hold on for a second. Mr. Johnson. Yes, sir. I just want to tell you that I talked to your mother and father, and of course, my decision had nothing to do with what we talked about. Okay. They've been with you for a long time. They understand how you act. They don't mind that you stay with them, and they don't mind feeding you and clothing you and all that kind of stuff. Let me tell you this. I've gotten tired of it. They're your mother and father. They're okay. I'm not okay. And so whatever happened in this case, you make sure the one to blame is me, not them. Because they've been with you, they're going to stay with you. I'm going to have to put them in jail if you don't do right. If you don't do right, and they stand and you stand with them, I'm going to have to put them in jail. So you can go now. You refund him the money. All right, Mr. Johnson, we're going to prepare the order. You're going to receive a check, a full refund of the bond amount. All right, now, of course, the city will take forever to send you the money, but it's coming. All right, on the contempt, the court acceptance is a no opportunity to plead to all charges. Contempt of court, the fine is $100. Do you have any valid insurance now, Mr. Smith?
Sir,
You have valid insurance now?
yes, sir. In the vehicle, yes, sir. I was driving a motorcycle at the time.
This was a motorcycle?
Yes, sir.
So you got the tag and insurance on it now?
I no longer have it. I was working on it for a man, thinking about purchasing it. But it all fell through, so I just gave it back.
Have you ever been charged and convicted of no insurance before?
No, sir, I have not.
Where do you work?
Break time billiards, and I also work for myself, landscaping, lawn care.
And you didn't have a motorcycle license?
No, sir.
All right, on the contempt, the fine is $100. No insurance, I reduced the no insurance on person. I reduced the fine from $496.16 to $200. Unregistered vehicle, I accept no contest fee. I reduced the fine from $205.10 to $100. And I essentially dismissed the wrong past license charge. The total fine is $400.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. When can you pay that? I'm saying have you pay it within 1 week because we can't accept payments out here. And you can pay that online or go down to the treasurer's office and pay it, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
You have to see this chair right here.
Have a good day.
Is somebody up there with probation? You watching them? Okay. All right.
City of Albany versus the Hunter Green.
Green, how old are you?
38.
38? How much education do you have?
I have some college.
About 2 years college?
Yeah, but
Where do you work?
Dairy Queen.
Burger King?
Dairy Queen.
Dairy Queen. You understand it could be sentenced up to 12 months in jail and $1,000 fine on each charge?
Yes, yes, sir.
Are you mentally disabled or under the influence of alcohol, drugs, or medication?
No, sir.
You have a right to a trial by jury, the presumption of innocence, the right to front and subpoena witnesses, and the right to remain silent and not incriminate yourself. Do you understand your rights?
Yes, sir.
You want to enter no contest plea to a tail light and a tag light?
Yes, sir.
That's those two. Whose car are you driving?
I'm moving stuff.
Talk to me. What's your name?
Dolores Green.
Okay.
Okay, the first time I was driving, right?
First time. What?
No, see, I got a warning with it, right?
Okay, all right.
And so I got it fixed. Now I thought it was fixed, and when she was driving, she got stopped. And then after we found out it wasn't fixed, I went to AutoZone on Dawson Road, and they put the lights in. So they told me that got some kind of shortage because they had water in it, so they got the water out and it fixed.
So how's it working now?
Oh, it's working, but he got the water out and, stuff that, you know what, the bug fits into that little slot.
Yes, ma'am.
He put it in there because it's the old truck, the 2005 house. So, he put that bug inside and fix that little round thing that goes on. We got to fix it next day. So,
Lemon Green, you 38?
yes, sir.
I said, oh, you might be Lemon Green because you're short. I was talking to the thin Miss Green. I mean the thin Miss Green. Thinner. Not that you're thick and all that kind of stuff. The more I talk, the more I'm going to put them on. Okay. All right. I'm dismissing the charge. Good luck to y'all.
Thank you.
You're welcome. What kind of coat we running here again? Jacket? Anybody need a jacket?
I was cold.
Got the lemonade, man.
City of Albany versus Tysagers Gas.
No, here's the thing. You don't have it for 12 months. You have it for as long as you're on the job.
Yes.
With this company.
You called Jackson?
said my name though.
Ms. Gatson,
Yes,
you are 21 and you fit high school?
yes, sir.
Where do you work?
I work from home with Delta Dental.
Ooh.
Delta Dental, it's insurance, dental insurance.
Okay. You understand it could be sentenced up to 12 months in jail or $1,000 fine?
Yes, sir.
Are you mentally disabled or under the influence of alcohol, drugs, and medication?
No, sir.
You have a right to a trial, the presumption of innocence, the right to confront and to deal with, and the right to remain silent and unincriminated. You understand those?
Yes, sir.
Your insurance and your tag is straightened out now?
Yes, sir. I actually got it while they was pulling me over, but they still gave me the ticket. It's like what she said earlier with the Hugo, where you pay as you go, and like you can cut it off and cut it on.
I
So
don't want to hear no more of that. Y'all got to be better. Got to be better. Y'all get smarter than me. I can't keep up with that.
that's why it happened to me.
There's no way I can keep up with that.
I paid the registration fee, the $80 already for the tag with the DMV.
You pay one of them people for a red seat, all that?
No, I actually went to the DMV in Albany, but I'm not from here. I just moved out here. But yeah, I went to the DMV in Albany.
Why your registration suspended?
You said when was it?
Why?
Because I had a lapse in insurance. I was with USAA and then I went to Hugo, but it was off for probably like maybe 2 months. But I wasn't driving the car during then. But then once I got Hugo on there,
It's suspended now.
what?
Your registration is suspended as you send it.
I paid the $80 though. I got the receipt.
I'm telling you, it is suspended. Suspended. Suspended.
So which fee are they wanting me to pay? The $20?
This on a 2,700 Accord.
Yeah, that's my car.
Right. You have to go to the tag off. You got it in Doherty County?
No, Henry County, Atlanta.
Hampton, Georgia, where is it?
Henry County. It's near Atlanta. That's where I'm from. Atlanta, Georgia.
You have to go back or get on the phone with them and tell them what your issues are and see if you can fix that.
Is it a $20 fee? Because I paid the $80 one.
Right. And this court is $600 something dollars. So I don't know what. I really don't.
Oh,
I don't know what you have to pay the tag off to get straight now.
oh yeah.
Well, you don't know. And what was the problem with your insurance? You said you have to pay by the date.
Yes, sir.
And
I
one
paid.
day, and one day you forgot to turn it back on.
Yes, sir.
Have you ever been charged with or convicted of no insurance before?
Yes, sir. In Albany with the state patrol.
Was it more than 5 years ago?
No, sir. It was literally a few days before that one.
What's on the book? No insurance. All right, 16. All right, Ms. Gatson, the court accepts no longer continue pleas to all of the charges. On the failure to yield a fine of $993.20, and no insurance is reduced to no insurance on person. What about the 7% no insurance? Right. We didn't make the 7 million. And when did you miss court? Ms. Gatson?
When?
Yes, ma'am.
I think this one was for February.
April the 10th.
April. Okay.
What's going on in your life then?
Well, I was in the process of still moving my stuff from Atlanta to Albany, but I got a newborn, so like it's hectic dealing with her, working from home and having to leave and go to court. Like I think that court day was during the morning time, so I wasn't able to go. But this one is after I get off work, so I was able to come today.
You drove that car the other day too?
No, sir. I actually got a lift. My car it broke down probably like a week and a half ago. My CV axle broke, so I can't drive.
All right, on the failure to yield 9320, no insurance reduced to no insurance on person, so it won't suspend your license. 975084. Expired tag, no contest, 20510. And contempt is reduced from $100 to $50. 36 months probation, obtain valid registration. Your case could end as early as you pay your fine and show that you have a valid registration. Any questions?
No, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Me with probation, you'll be released.
Where you go there?
Been in that phone all night back there. What you read? Yeah. I don't want to know the. That's all.
No, I'm trying to find something.
City of Albany versus Titiola Martin.
You got anybody from Jersey?
I think somebody left that paperwork up there.
What?
I'm saying somebody left that paperwork up here. I ain't want to be all over.
You got one out of docket?
Huh? No, I was saying somebody left that paperwork up here.
How old are you?
I'm 24.
How much education do you have?
I graduated high school and I currently attend Albany Tech for my phlebotomy certificate.
You been here 1 year, 2 years?
I was doing dual enrollment during
The
high
reason
school.
I'm asking you that is because there's a spot on here for your age and one for how many years of education you fill out. You need it.
Oh,
So I need a number. 12, 14.
I say 14.
Okay. Where do you work?
I work at Jack's on North Slapping. In the restaurant.
You understand that you could be sentenced up to 12 months in jail and $1,000 fine?
Yes.
Charge?
Yes.
Are you mentally disabled or under the influence of alcohol, drugs, or medication?
No.
You have the right to a trial, presumption of innocence, the right to confront, and to subpoena witnesses, and the right to remain silent and not incriminate yourself. Do you understand your right?
Yes.
What is the law as it relates to emergency vehicles?
You move over.
And if you can't,
You decrease your speed all the way down.
so you didn't do that day?
I did actually.
And so they wrongfully charge you?
He did actually. Only on my ticket he put it was 2 extra lanes. If you're familiar with Overthorpe, you know it's a 3-lane. And he put that it was 2 lanes empty, but that's impossible because he
Why you enter a no contest plea rather than not guilty plea and have a trial?
Huh?
Why did you enter a no contest rather than a not guilty plea?
I mean, cause I'm just trying to don't get this over with.
So why you think you can stand there and explain it to me like you're having a trial if that's not what you want?
I'm just trying to get this
You're
over
entitled to
with.
a trial. You're entitled to one, but you can't stand there and enter no contest plea and convince me that you ain't doing anything wrong.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
Okay, get you up for trial. You can talk with the one of them lawyers you want to, but I'm pretty firm about what I do. You come back for a trial. If me or the other judge find you guilty, it's going to suspend your license. On the display of a license plate, when you come back, you want to enter a no contest plea on that one, or you want to have a trial on it? The tag charge, was that a good charge?
I had the tenant plate on my tag for over 6 months, and
You had a tenant plate on it. So was they wrong for that, or were you wrong for that?
he was wrong because he had on shades
Yeah,
when
the
he
problem
saw
with
me.
both charges. Both, and I was wondering if I had a conversation with a. All right, Roger, if you will, do the honors. Make sure you give her a day that's convenient for her, since she don't like us no more if we come back over and see us on a regular day.
City of Albany versus Brittany Martin.
You are 37 and you have 30 years of education.
Yes,
What do you work?
Walmart pharmacy.
You understand that you'll be sentenced up to 12 months in jail and $1,000 fine.
Yes,
Are you mentally disabled or under the influence of alcohol, drugs, or medication?
no,
You have the right to a trial, presumption of innocence, the right to confront and and the right to remain silent and uninformed. Do you understand your right?
yes,
And you want to enter a no contest plea to what charge? Ma'am?
sir.
What charge do you enter the plea to? What do you claim you did?
He said I didn't stop at the red light, but it was yellow when I went up under. But to be honest, I should have got a speeding ticket because I was running late for work.
I can write one of those down for you.
No, Judge Weaver, no, I don't want them.
You missed
I'm trying to get my CDLs and I'm trying to do it through the WIA program, but currently working at Walmart too.
So when you trying to get CDL?
I had to wait for, see, I was bad back when I was a little younger before I got a little smarter, and I had to wait till some things drop off until September.
You live on Butler or you live somewhere else?
No, I have, I stay in suburban North. Butler was my old address.
You on Bank here?
That's my property. That's where all my mail go to.
Bank.
Yeah, 2703 Banks.
And Butler is on your license?
That was my old license. I got a new license.
The old ticket? 2024. Okay. You missed the court date. Why did you miss the court date?
My son had recently had a seizure. I have a son have a seizure in North Calexico.
What's the charge that won't put points on the license? Bad substitution. And I reduced the charge to too fast for conditions, so that it won't affect your driving history or your CDL application. Contempt is $100 a total. Fine of $193.20. When can you pay that?
Today, tomorrow.
All right, pay it within 2 weeks.
Okay.
Pay it online or come to the treasurer's office. Thank you. $8.15. $8.15.
That's yours.
I ain't demanding $8.15. No, no, tax. Y'all stop being nosy and listen to my conversation. I ain't talking to y'all. Y'all be worried about $8.15. Put it on what? That's on that complaint. You're gonna get one complaint. I can make it worth your time. Put you in jail 12 midnight. Don't do that. No, you need one. It got to be equipment. I ain't doing no drawing out. Yeah, that was in last week. I was done last week. Well, let me take my message again. I'm telling you, I need some quick. I'm trying to get out of the business. I call you on my way to make it alone. I'm gonna make it with it. I'll kill it. I'm in the quarter act that I need my now.
You're welcome.
Duncan, you are 40 and you have 14 years of education.
Yes, sir.
Where do you work, man?
I work with Next Step Care. I'm assessment nurse. We provide services for Medicaid recipients to receive services at home, mostly for the elderly and disabled. You see those signs around that says if you have Medicaid and you take care. So that's what I do. I go into the homes to see if they qualify for the program.
What's the difference? Medicaid?
You know, that's a good question. I really don't know. It's a lot of legalities to it, so I can't really answer that to be.
I want them old people to read that sign.
Well, if you have Medicaid, you have to have a certain type of Medicaid to qualify
I
for
really don't know
service.
the difference. Medicare, one for young folks, one for old folks.
Yes, sir.
Which
For the
one's the
most
young
part, yes, sir. You have to
Which
be
one
over the
old
age of
care or the K?
65, sir.
K or care? That's old. Which one? Old. K to care.
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 Yes, sir. You have to be, I think, 65 and up to qualify for Medicare, but some do have both.
You have
So
to pay for it.
no, sir. It's sponsored by the government.
What's the problem with the insurance on the Nissan?
At that time, there was,
What's wrong
well,
right now? Right now
actually,
it says
no,
insurance.
because when I got in an accident that day, and the insurance company actually totaled the car, so I don't even have it anymore. I recently voluntarily canceled my registration to
You
it
got a
and
new car?
everything. Sir,
You got a new car?
not yet. Soon. I'm in school, so I'm just trying to wait. So right now, my boyfriend, he bought me a car, so I'm just driving that.
It's a good boyfriend.
I'm thankful.
I'm accepting a no contest plea. I'm reducing the charge of no insurance on person and reducing the fine from $496.16 to $250. When can you pay that?
I can pay it in 2 weeks.
All right. Give us 2 weeks.
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Thank you. City of Albany versus Samikio Harvey.
Why is the recommendation of no approximate marijuana charge on this, gentlemen?
At this time, I'm unable to find a significant factual basis.
What was it? Smell?
Yes.
I'm trying not to read the report. I'm not read it anyway. So you're 25 and you completed high school?
Yes, sir.
Where do you work?
No work currently.
When the last time you worked in the West?
About 2 weeks ago.
Where were you working in?
In a fish company.
You understand to be sentenced up to 12 months in jail and $1,000 fine on multiple charges?
Yes, sir.
Mentally disabled or under alcohol, drugs, and medication.
No, sir.
The right to a trial, to go to the mental, right to confront and plead with, no right to remain silent and explanation to the stand on the right.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. How many marijuana was in that making job?
I can't
Enough to
recall.
make a joint, a blunt, or two, or three?
About 3.
15, You haven't got license?
No, sir. They suspended my license when I failed to appear for court the first time.
I ran all this stuff down. You need to see this stuff. You need to see this thing. Not working. Don't have a license. Marijuana, live marijuana, but color. Stuff to do. They're gonna go back and then somebody to the punch. They're talking to us. But like, no. I mean, no, because you get like, we're doing it. You can, hey, I don't want to have it. That's in the thing, talk to us. So right now, it gets now that you want to hold on to it to get the money on. How can you put marijuana in the car?
Not too often anymore.
Hmm?
Not too often anymore.
And have you been convicted of marijuana? Or you ever entered a plea of guilty, no contest?
No, sir.
Possession less than an ounce?
No, sir.
All right, $15 on the seatbelt, $100 on open container, all these guilty pleas. No life on person 112 week, $100. 24 months probation, you to obtain a valid driver's license, obtain a job, emit random. Stephen Daniel. On assessment. If you placed on all been work, probation will be terminated. Trying to put you in a program so we can help you get these things you need, all right?
Yes, sir.
If we do that, then your fine probably be converted to community service. Mr. Left, did you see everybody at the jail? Or something ran from you?
I think one of them I didn't get. But I think I got 4, 5, or 6. I lost count that. It was just relatively calm.
There's a one trucker, Jordan. 42 and you have, some college,
Yep,
where you work.
Delta Dental Insurance Company in the claims department.
You understand, it can be done for 12 months, $1,000.
Mm-hmm.
Are you mentally disabled or under the influence of alcohol, drugs, and medication?
Nope.
Have the right to a trial, presumption of innocence, right to confront and continue with, and the right to remain silent and not information. Do you understand the right?
Yes.
You tag salad now?
Yes.
What was the problem with it?
They sent the tickets for a school zone to a wrong address, and I never got it. Once I went up to pay on my tag, they told me it was suspended. So
Now, you were told to take the tile, and you said you're not guilty of that.
that I wasn't. My cousin Hayes told me to wait. Taryn Hayes told me to wait before I pay on it to come to court about that. But wasn't nothing wrong with my tire pressure in my tire. I never heard it. Huh?
What's your cousin do for a living?
He just got let the sheriff.
And so, what do you know about time?
A lot.
Tell me, ask you a question.
I know a lot about him too. The thing about it is, I've never got a ticket for low air pressure. I just think it's crazy.
He gonna tell you not to pay the ticket, come in and say you're
He
not.
said, wait till I go to court.
And then do what? Say you're not guilty?
Yeah.
But you're doing that based on what he told you. And he don't know nothing about time.
Well, I guess we both don't know nothing about times. That's the craziest thing I ever heard, though.
You're 42 years. You're a little young to know about that. As a good lawyer, been in the state for a long time. And long time ago when they were doing recap time, we had to charge all the time. But it's for your safety. If it breaks when it's raining or something like that, the car ain't gonna stop. It's not based on that radio though.
He should have gave me 4 tickets.
One for each top. So you wanna have a trial on it to fix the tire?
No, I just got some more tires. I hope 4 new
Why would
tires.
you do that? There ain't nothing wrong with the tire.
Just in case.
Lord.
You want to see what I paid for them? They in there too.
How much you pay for them?
35 a piece.
35 what a piece?
A tire.
Dollar?
Yeah.
Where you get them from?
From somebody that's close, a close friend to us.
Same
It
thing-
was 50, but he
same
didn't charge
thing
me for
happened- you happened
35.
to me. I went and complained about one of my tires up front. Don't like it had no tread, I need a new one.
Oh, Lord.
And I wanna know why that tire was wearing like that and the other one wearing. The guy walked around the car and said, you need 4 tires. You just don't know how you're looking at them.
Yeah.
But the one up front was turning out and I could see it.
Yeah.
So he told me, you don't need 1 tire, you need 4 tires. So you're gonna complain to me, them, about 1 tire. Cause they put them in, I thought one was wearing wrong. So I went up thinking it was 1 tire, gonna get them to put one on and I ended up buying, they ordered 4 tires. And they were like $350 a piece, not $35.
Yeah. Well, we know
I
him.
need
He's
to
a
go to
friend
your
of
man.
family.
Go to your man, get hooked up. Okay, so you got 4 tires and you got a picture of them. You think you got
I
a
ain't taking no picture of this
got a
outside,
receipt?
though.
You got a receipt of it?
Yep.
Well, if you hand a picture that I was send the fine, you won't have no fine on it. Why not follow this table position that they after all this? 4510 on that price tag, fail to change the address on the license 11293. And the effective title is not crossed by a recommendation. The fine is 317, something like that. $300 something. When can you pay that? 31803. When can you pay that, man?
I don't know. I had to give me a month.
All right, pay within 30 days.
318.
We're gonna give it to you in order. Thank you. So you can come on up, I got 1 minute, before I lose this bet. 8:14. So how can I be out here for 8:15?
Yes, sir.
You can leave, you're not gonna make me lose my mind. You can't come back here and get back on schedule. What's the gentleman's name?
Yes, ma'am.
So you are 38 and you have 14 years of education?
Yes, sir.
Where do you work?
JBS, a general contractor. I work for myself.
You understand to be sentenced up to 12 months in jail and $1,000 fine, I'm sorry.
Yes, sir.
Are you mentally disabled or under the influence of alcohol, drugs in that case?
No, sir.
The right to a trial, is up to the innocent, right to confront, continue witnesses, and the right to remain silent and non-incriminating. Do you understand all of your rights?
Yes, sir.
Your mama paid all your fines?
She paid it while I was to get me out of jail. To be clear, she paid the bond to get me out of jail. I paid everything else.
You got a habit of riding around with a phone in your hand?
Well, no, sir. It was a hand strength. I have some anxiety from the past year, and it was a hand strength trainer that I would just work in my hand while driving. And when the officer pulled me over, I told them that what I had in my hand, but he said it looked like a thumb.
You doing better now?
I'm a lot better. Yes, sir.
You married?
Pardon?
You married?
I was, I lost my wife last year.
That sent you for a spiral?
Pardon?
That sent you for a spiral?
Yes, sir. I spent about 8 months barely getting out of bed.
Did you get counseling?
Pardon?
Did you get counseling?
Yes, sir. Dr. Fred Lee.
All right. I'm gonna reduce the suspended license charge to no license to a bond forfeit and the rest of the charges, but the license reinstated. Continue to pray, get counseling, good luck to you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Jeremiah, say hello.
I will. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
The city recalls City of Albany versus Martin.
You want a copy of the order, you can wait, but if you don't, you can go. Okay. Thank you. If you want more than mine. Okay, smile, what do you want?
I would like to change my my plea.
To what? What do you want to change it to?
I just need you to help me out.
You didn't
So
answer my question. That's a procedure that I'm required to call as a judge. So you want to change your plea from something, from not guilty, what do you want to change it to? And one of y'all lawyers help us? I don't have anything. Can y'all help us? What you trying to change your plea to?
Have you put no low in the past 5 years? Have you
Y'all
put
don't
no
know.
low in the
Y'all
past
know
5 years?
Okay. We gotta
No,
make.
move over to guilty to improper display.
What's your name, ma'am?
Titiana Martin.
Martin.
All right, you are in a not guilty plea to reverse the vehicle and attack. You're not guilty. To those charges, how do you want to plead? To the emergency vehicle charge, how you want to plead? Guilty or no contest?
Guilty.
Ma'am?
Guilty.
To the charge of display of license plate, how do you want to plead? Guilty or no contest?
Non-consent.
Are you changing your fee on your own free and voluntary will?
Yes.
Anybody threaten you in any way or promise you anything, you just change your plea from not guilty to guilty or no contest.
No.
City motions to reduce the move over violation to failure to exercise due care.
The what?
City will motion to reduce the move over violation to failure to exercise due care.
What about too fast for condition? I think that's right. Too fast for condition won't get you in court. Okay. All right, the move over law, reduced to too fast for condition. The fine is reduced from $6,1138 to $300. It's still license plate, either both, no contest plea. And, you got a tag cover on it? Have you removed the tag cover?
Yes.
When?
The day after I got the ticket.
Yeah, story.
No, I'm serious.
But you want to stand there and argue about it? Like, you had a cover on it? Okay.
I
You
don't
did
wanna
before. Okay. The court accepted no contest plea to that one after spend the fine because she said she removed the cover. When can you pay $300?
Can I get a month?
30 days?
Yes.
Who makes you do that? Your lawyer?
Yes. No.
Look at it. They're not fine, so you can't. You want them? You ain't got no dolphin order in there, do you? I found it for a long time. I found sending them to, yes, I did. Yes, I did. I found it. I ain't been on cover much like I got them thing by email. Is Judge Williams sending them back? Good. I train him well.